Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this here. These are some cordless electric scissors. We're going to give these things a try. Let's see if we can open this up without slicing open the whole box. So this is what they look like here. It comes in a nice little box, which is pretty cool. And then we open it up and inside it is packed up like this. We have a charger, which is USB to USB-C. So that's good. It uses some of the newer technology stuff. And then this is, wow, this is one heavy duty piece of machinery. Oh, it's got a light on there. So we can open our boxes in the dark. And then we have the button here, woo, which is the blade. You see the blade, it's gonna do that. So for fun, let's just see if we can do this box. See what happens. Oh man. Wow. Okay, that is the coolest. Man, I'd be afraid I'd get my finger in there or something like that. But look at how good of a cut that made. Let's just try this again here. So this is a box. Let me see. Let me try a really hard box. This one here is a really hard box from something else. Let's just give this thing a try and see if we can cut that. Like butter. Oh my gosh. Let me look at that. It just sliced open that little piece right there like nothing. Let's see if we go sideways across the grain. I gotta give it a little bit of a push as it's going, but it definitely cut it. So this is really cool. Way better than trying to use scissors or something. So I'm gonna say this is really nice, and I like the way it has that little light on the end too. So really cool, and it's rechargeable, and it's by VLOXO, VLOXO, I guess. And it says it's 4-volt lithium ion, so that's good. It's lithium ion, so the battery will be able to be recharged a lot. Let me just see if there's anything in the instructions I'm missing, because this is like the coolest thing I've gotten in a long time. So it's got the blade. The blade is the number one. I guess that could be replaceable if you need to. It's got a little screw part in there. It has a safety switch, which is number 3, somewhere back here. I don't even see the safety switch. I don't know. For number 4 is the screw. So that's the screw, I guess, to adjust it if you want to adjust things there. The charging hole is back there, number 6. Number 5 is the on-off switch, right there. And that's pretty much everything. Don't know where the safety switch is. I don't see it anywhere. Maybe this one doesn't have it. Or maybe, oh, maybe I did have to push that button for it to go. Maybe that's what that was. So, I don't know. I thought that was just the light switch. Maybe it is. That's a pretty bright light, so that definitely is the light switch, but I guess it's also the safety switch. So, and I guess that's all of it. So, I don't say this is really cool. Nice little device, and very cool for cutting anything. So I'm going to say it's nice. I'm going to guess the light just goes off by itself after a while. If not, I'll let y'all know. But I like this. It's nice and super convenient. I mean, you just keep it in there. So anytime I know I'm going to be cutting up a lot of boxes or trying to cut something, you know, even precision stuff like while I'm doing some art stuff, projects or whatnot, just use this. It's really nice. So thumbs up from me. Definitely like it.